Step into Manchester's nightlife on our special 200th walk through this iconic city. The streets are filled with energy, music, and laughter as nightfall transforms the urban landscape. From vibrant clubs to intimate bars, every corner has a unique story to tell. Street performers, art, and city lights create a magical experience for locals and visitors alike. Whether you're exploring with friends or solo, the city's charm is impossible to resist. Join us as we wander through Manchester's lively neighborhoods, capturing the sights, sounds, and spirit that make this city a nightlife destination like no other. Manchester's nightlife is a dynamic, multi-layered experience that begins the moment the sun dips below the horizon and the city lights begin to glow, casting reflections on wet cobblestones and glass facades alike. And as we embark on this immersive walk, every street, alley, and square reveals a unique facet of the city's nocturnal identity. Starting at the vibrant Piccadilly Gardens where crowds gather under illuminated fountains, couples stroll leisurely, groups of friends discuss plans for the night ahead, and street performers create impromptu shows that attract small audiences, blending music, juggling, and theatrics into the soundscape of the evening, while the aroma of freshly brewed coffee, baked pastries, and sizzling street food fills the air, mingling with the distant hum of passing trams and traffic to create an unmistakable urban symphony that defines the start of a Manchester night. As we move northward, the northern quarter emerges, a bohemian enclave that epitomizes the city's creative spirit, where narrow streets open into alleyways adorned with colorful murals, neon signage, and graffiti art, and the eclectic mix of venues, independent cafes, vintage shops, boutique bars, and small live music venues, ensures a diversity of experiences for every visitor, from sampling specialty cocktails to browsing unique retail finds, while live music floats through the air, with acoustic sets, indie bands, and experimental performances enriching the atmosphere, drawing pedestrians to pause, photograph, or simply enjoy the sensory richness of a district alive with artistic energy, creative expression, and youthful exuberance. Historic pubs such as the Old Wellington, the Marble Arch, and the Britain's Protection anchor the city's nightlife and tradition, their warm, wood-paneled interiors, vintage decor, and dim lighting providing spaces where patrons can enjoy craft Alesh cocktails and traditional pub fare while listening to live music ranging from folk and jazz to indie and rock, creating environments where laughter, conversation, and performance coalesce, and where the historical continuity of these establishments maintains a tangible link to Manchester's past even as the city evolves into a modern nightlife hub. Continuing eastward, Canal Street offers a transformative experience with its rainbow-colored neon lights. Reflecting on the canal waters, a symbol of inclusion, diversity, and celebration, where bars, clubs, and lounges welcome a broad spectrum of patrons, offering high-energy dance floors, intimate seating areas, and outdoor terraces where groups socialize, drink, and observe the vibrancy around them, and the gentle flow of the canal provides a serene counterpoint to the pulsing energy of the streets. While DJs spin sets blending electronic, pop, and classic hits, creating a soundtrack that complements the visual spectacle of illuminated buildings, lively crowds, and reflections that shimmer across the water, and the entire district embodies the city's ethos of freedom, acceptance, and unrestrained self-expression. Further along, Deansgate Locks provides a modern nightlife experience, where industrial chic architecture, glass facades, and ambient lighting combine with high-end lounges, craft cocktail bars, and international cuisine to create a sophisticated yet energetic environment, with outdoor terraces encouraging social interaction and indoor venues pulsing with music ranging from smooth jazz to electronic beats, attracting a diverse crowd of students, professionals, locals, and tourists, each adding to the kaleidoscope of sound, movement, and visual interest, while alleyways, hidden corners, and subtle art installations offer moments of discovery. making each step a continuation of an immersive urban adventure that blends heritage and modernity seamlessly. Spinning Fields, the city's upscale nightlife district, introduces an air of elegance, with rooftop bars offering panoramic views of the skyline, high-end lounges featuring curated music, and fine dining restaurants providing culinary experiences that balance sophistication with energy. And as patrons sip expertly crafted cocktails under ambient lighting, the interplay between sound, visual spectacle, and social interaction creates an environment that is refined, engaging, and distinctly Manchester, demonstrating the city's capacity to cater to a wide spectrum of nightlife preferences while maintaining a cohesive cultural identity. Hidden pockets of tranquility amidst this vibrant urban landscape include canal-side paths, rooftop terraces, and quiet gardens, where reflections of neon lights shimmer on water and distant music hums softly, allowing moments of reflection, calm, and observation. Reminding visitors that nightlife in Manchester is not solely defined by loud music and crowded dance floors but also by opportunities to pause, observe, and appreciate the aesthetic, cultural, and historical context of the city, with its architecture, streetscape, and public spaces contributing as much to the experience as the bars, clubs, and restaurants themselves. As we traverse streets like Portland Street, Oxford Road, and surrounding lanes, the juxtaposition of historic buildings, modern skyscrapers, cobblestone alleys, and neon-lit facades offers a visual narrative of Manchester's evolution, while street performers, pop-up events, and culinary stalls punctuate the journey with sound, movement, and aroma, creating an immersive, multi-sensory experience that engages visitors on every level, and the diverse crowd, locals, tourists, students, and professionals, adds a human element that transforms the cityscape into a living, breathing organism, dynamic and responsive, each interaction, conversation, and performance contributing to the nocturnal tapestry. Manchester's music scene, integral to its nightlife identity, spans genres and venues, from intimate jazz bars to grand clubs featuring electronic, indie, pop, and alternative sounds, ensuring that every preference finds a home. And the interplay between live performance, DJ sets, and ambient soundscapes enhances the city's auditory richness, creating layers of sound that blend with urban noises, laughter, and conversation, crafting a continuous, immersive experience that evolves as the night deepens. Gastronomy, too, plays a central role, with street food, late-night eateries, and high-end restaurants offering flavors from around the world, complementing the drinks and music, fueling the night, and providing opportunities for socialization, exploration, and indulgence, while historic pubs maintain a connection to local heritage with traditional Alesh menus and decor, illustrating Manchester's ability to balance history and modernity within its nightlife ecosystem. As night progresses, clubs reach peak energy, with laser lights, LED installations, and immersive audiovisual setups transforming spaces into sensory wonderlands, dance floors crowded with enthusiastic patrons moving in rhythm to pulsating beats, VIP and lounge areas providing exclusive experiences, and outdoor terraces offering panoramic views and social spaces, while the city streets outside remain lively with groups hopping between venues, street performers entertaining passers-by, and the overall atmosphere resonating with energy, anticipation, and excitement. Inclusivity remains a defining characteristic, with spaces that welcome diverse gender identities, sexual orientations, cultural backgrounds, and age groups, ensuring that the city's nightlife is a reflection of its cosmopolitan and open-minded ethos, where every individual can find a place, experience, or community that resonates with them. The interplay of light, sound, people, architecture, and culinary offerings throughout Manchester creates a continuous, immersive nocturnal tapestry, from neon reflections on wet streets and canals to music spilling from pubs and clubs into adjacent streets, laughter and conversation blending seamlessly with urban and natural sounds, and every district contributing its own unique identity to the overarching experience, creating a living, breathing, multidimensional narrative of the city at night. Historic venues maintain a tangible connection to Manchester's past, while contemporary spaces push creative boundaries with innovative cocktails, thematic events, and live music programming, offering a balance of tradition and modernity. And the city's ability to combine these elements ensures that nightlife is not merely entertainment but a cultural expression, an exploration of history, and an engagement with a vibrant, diverse, and continuously evolving urban community. As the hours pass, moments of reflection along canals, terraces, and quiet streets punctuate the energetic flow, offering visitors a chance to absorb the city's multifaceted character, from architectural beauty and historic continuity to musical diversity and culinary richness, and to appreciate the interplay of human interaction, creativity, and design that defines Manchester's nighttime identity. Ultimately, Manchester nightlife represents an extraordinary convergence of history, culture, gastronomy, music, architecture, and social interaction, offering immersive experiences that engage all senses, foster connection, and provide unforgettable memories. And as one walks through the streets, alleys, and squares, every sight, sound, and flavor contributes to an overarching narrative of vibrancy, inclusivity, and endless possibility, making each night a dynamic adventure, every corner a story, and the city itself a continuous, living celebration of life after dark, a metropolis whose heartbeat is inseparable from the rhythm, color, and energy of its nightlife, leaving visitors with an indelible impression of a city that never truly sleeps and whose nocturnal charm lingers long after the streets quiet and the lights dim, reflecting a culture of creativity. That's the end of tonight's Manchester nightlife adventure. Thanks for exploring with us as we uncovered lively streets, hidden gems, and buzzing bars. Like, comment, and subscribe to follow future journeys. Keep discovering Manchester after dark, one vibrant, neon-lit street at a time, with us as your guide.